Hello, welcome to Math Chinedu Hub Class. Today we're going to solve this y equation before us. Solve 1 all over 81 raised to the power of x minus 2 in brackets is equal to 27 raised to the power of in bracket 1 minus x. So we're going to have it like this: 1 all over 81 raised to the power of in bracket x minus 2 is equal to 27 raised to the power of in bracket also 1 minus what? X. So let's solve this together. Now, we are going to make this to have the same number or the same base. By the time they have the same number, by the time they have the same base, we can now easily equate their powers. Good. Now, let's go here. This is going to give us what? 81. That simply means what number that we multiply by each 7 to how many places that we still get 81. 3 can go. 3 into 4 places. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3 again is 81. So we are going to have 3 raised to the power of what? 4. Of course, we bring in this one, bracket x minus 2 is equal to the same thing for 27. Okay, so if you take 3 here, 3 is going to be 3 raised to the power of 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. So we're going to have 3 raised to the power of what? 3. Also in bracket 1 minus what? X. You can see now we now have the same word, the same number, the same base, 3. So 3 and 3. Okay, so in this case here now, we can, this is the same thing, this 1 all over, is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of minus 4. So this 1 over is something as what? Minus 4. This is lots of indices. Now, open your bracket, x minus 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power of what? 3 in brackets 1 minus what? X. Can see that now we now equate this. We equate their powers. Since they are having the same number, we just equate their powers, which is now going to give us what? Let's open the bracket. Minus 4 times what? Times x is giving us what? Minus 4x. Minus times minus 2, which is of course minus times minus is giving us what? Plus. And 4 times 2 is giving us what? 8. The same thing here. 3 times 1, we are going to have what? 3. And 3 times minus x is what? Minus 3x. We collect like terms. You can see here, minus 4x. By the time minus 3x moves to this side, becomes plus 3x is equal to this 3. This plus 8 moves to the other side, becomes minus 8. Okay, so in this case here, we now have what? Minus 4x plus 3x. That is giving us what? Minus x is equal to, of course, 3 minus 8. We are having negative what? 5. Of course, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, and of course that is giving us what? Minus 1, minus 1. Minus will divide minus, that's gone. Minus will also take care of minus here. Therefore, the value of x here is equal to 5. Thank you for today's class. I believe you have learned something new today. Thank you. See you in my next class. Bye.